Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a VW Golf headlight bulb. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always make sure your vehicle's engine is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. It's also a good idea to wear protective gloves to keep oils from your skin off the new bulb, which can extend its lifespan. Now, let's get to the bulb. First, open your car's hood and find the back of the headlight assembly. You'll see an electrical connector attached to the bulb. Gently disconnect this. Next, you'll need to remove the protective cover or dust cap, which usually twists off or unclips, revealing the bulb itself. With the cover off, you'll typically find a retaining spring or a twist lock mechanism holding the bulb in place. Carefully unclip or twist to release it, then gently pull out the old bulb. When inserting the new one, avoid touching the glass. Align the tabs and push it firmly into its socket until it's fully seated. Almost done. Now, reattach the protective cover, ensuring it's sealed properly. Reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb. If you removed the entire headlight assembly, secure it back into its position. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it's working correctly and shining brightly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.